Hey all, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back again. Coffee is not just a drink, it's a feeling for many of us. And it doesn't just get easily replaced with other beverages. But coffee rituals need to be in a limit per day as they contain caffeine, which I do not want to have it as I'm afraid of having anxiety. I got to know that date seeds can be powdered from a product that I bought a few years ago and started searching on this in the internet and found Middle East were making date seed coffee for centuries. So I tried date seed powder many times by adding different ingredients with it, and finally I have become a big addict to date seed brew. So here I'm going to show how I made date seed brew with masala mix and milk. So I have around half cup of sun-dried date seeds and roast it in a low flame, very low flame for 30 minutes. Make sure your flame is very low and keep roasting it without a break. Things really got interesting when it comes to the roasting. And after 10 minutes, it started to smell like the smell of date fruit. After 20 minutes, it smelled exactly like roasted coffee bean. After 25 minutes, the color has started to change. So roast until you notice quite light brown in color, not too dark brown, like this. After 30 minutes of roasting, transfer the seeds into another plate and let it get cooled down for a bit. These seeds are really aromatic as coffee beans. The roasted seeds are very soft and it can be broken easily like this. Now I'm going to roast few spices which I regularly use to make masala tea. So I have taken around 4 teaspoons of coriander seeds and few cloves and cardamom and few peppercorn and black seeds. The coriander and cardamom are the essential one, others are completely optional. Roast it for about 3 to 4 minutes in a low flame. So this cinnamon stick, again it's optional, but it add a good flavor to the tea or brew. Grind it into a fine powder. Transfer that into a separate bowl. So I've got this much of powder from the spices, and transfer the date seeds into the grinder and grind it to a fine powder. You can see the color similar to the coffee bean, real coffee bean, and it smells really good. So my one is finely grounded. If you don't get fine powder, just sieve the powder to get the fine powder. This is dried ginger powder, also known as sukku or Veerkombu powder in local language. I am adding 1 heap teaspoon of dry ginger powder to the spice mix. Do not skip coriander, cardamom and dry ginger powder. These three are the must which go well with date seed brew. And I'm adding around 4 heap teaspoon of grounded date seed powder and give a mix, and your date seed brew masala mix is ready. You can store this in an airtight container for months. I have taken a teapot with a strainer and I'm adding around 2 teaspoons of powder mix. And pour hot boiling water. Give a mix and cover it for 2 minutes and it's ready to have. You can add any sweetener like sugar or honey or whatever you prefer, but I like this little spicy beverage with jaggery. So jaggery really goes well with this hot and spicy beverage. If you don't want it spicy, you can just omit adding pepper. But adding pepper to this drink and have it in a cold season like this rainy season will give a good health benefit to you. The second way is to use this powder. Just mix this powder with hot boiling milk and it will be ready itself. But for a change, I tried adding cocoa powder and coffee powder with date seed powder, and these three combination give immense flavor and taste to your milk. So I have taken 1/3 cup of dried grounded date seed powder and 2 teaspoons of coffee powder and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and mix it. And your flavorful powder is ready. You can use this powder to make cold or hot milk. Boil the milk. Milk starts to boil. Add 2 teaspoons of powder mix and give a mix. I have taken milk for 2 people. I'm adding sugar and bring it a boil. Researchers say that the date seeds are rich in minerals, iron and vitamins and even antioxidants which are essential for our body to be healthy enough. The hot milk coffee is really tasty and flavorful. Do try this out and let me know your comments. So do not throw away the date seeds hereafter, and you can use it as in many ways in your meal. Even you can try this date seed powder to bake cake and many more. It's a simple and healthy replacement for coffee and cocoa powder. That's all for today's video and thank you for watching.